Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. I'm on my way home from work, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing video and then also give you a couple updates on things. First thing I'll tell you is that we will have updates on my car emergency kit and my wife's car emergency kit because in a matter of like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, both of our cars just died on us. So the Civic is gone, the Honda Odyssey is gone, we've got some new vehicles, so we'll talk a little bit about the vehicles, but more so about the kits that we have in the back of the vehicles. And I've made some changes from my original car emergency survival kit and some updates based on things I've used, things I have never used, and just what's practical. So that's the first thing. Second thing I want to show you is that we've got an unboxing to do here. I got a notice at home and they were like, hey, there's a package from Germany waiting for you at the post office. So I went and got it, and let's open this up and see what's inside. Lots of packing peanuts here. So here's the box inside. And this is coming to us from a company called German Knife Shop. I've got a link down below in the description section. And it looks like we're going to partner with those guys for a handful of months to check out some gear they have and let you guys know about their products. They are based, obviously, over in Europe. And so for our European listeners and folks who are over on that side of the planet, it'll be interesting to hear your thoughts if you've interacted with them. You know, check out their website if you make purchases, what you think. They have a wide variety of knives and other cutting tools, and it's not a lot of knives that you would see over here in the US, I would say, in general. You know, you're not going to see your Essie knives and your Tops knives. You're going to see different companies over there, so I'm really intrigued to check out what they have and see how they compare to a lot of the companies that I know and work with from here in the States. All right, so let's unbox this. See what they've sent to me. Oh, this is nice. This is so they've got a lot of different styles of knives, kind of classic knives, classic outdoor knives, and then survival knives and stuff like this. So I'm gonna probably butcher this names, but I think it's Hubertus or Hubertus maybe, Solingen or Solingen. It's a company from overseas in Europe, and if you're you actually know what I'm saying and you can pronounce it properly, then leave a phonetic description down below so I can figure that out. So let me see, the name of this one is the Take Apart Knife and Fork Combination. So here's a little pouch it comes with, and then here is the knife. And the reason I got this is because you've probably seen, check out my man Aaron over at Gideon's Tactical. He just put out a video on what's the best outdoors spoon, spork, fork type item. And I saw this and I'm like, hey, and I saw this and I'm like, hey, and I saw this and I'm like, hey, I want to check this thing out because maybe this will be something that I'll use instead of one of those possibly. So we'll see. But it is a, obviously it's a pocket knife with that little leather pouch. Let's sort of actually put this thing in the pouch and see how it fits. So that's what it looks like inside the pouch. That's what it is looking down in. It's very, very soft, very pliable leather, as you can see. And then this is basically, you're out in the woods and you're having a meal. You got your different tools to do that. So you got your corkscrew. Now I generally, for myself, on a Swiss Army knife, a Victorinox knife, if I get a corkscrew, I'm looking for a different option. But this thing is built to be it's your multi-tool, multi-eating tool out in the woods. So we got that. Just checking out the blade here. There's your blade. Look at that one. Let's see what else we got here. So there's your can opener, bottle opener, not can opener, and also your little fork, which is cool. Let me actually open up all these items so you can see what they look like. So that's what the two of them look like. There's your knife and there's your fork. So I'm looking at the back of the box here. Let me just show you real quick. It's got, I don't read the language. I don't know the language. So, but it looks like you kind of, once you get the fork out, you pull it out. But I think as I've tried it, when you pull it out, it doesn't go anywhere, obviously. So it just locks into place. But bottom line here is that you have your fork and your knife built into your little pocket knife, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna put a link to this one down in the description section. So this is definitely classic, kind of a bushcraft looking thing. You throw this knife into your little leather pouch and put it in your little haversack and head out into the woods and cook some food over a fire and eat it with this. So yeah, I wanted to check it out and just mix it up a little bit. I do have some fixed blades coming from these guys as well, so that'll be interesting to examine those guys and again see how they compare to other knives I've used around here. I'm just opening up all three of the little tools here. So corkscrew, knife, fork. So there's a first look. Again, a link down below in the description section to German Knife Shop. If you want to check out what they have, what they're selling, and what's available, you can go ahead and click on that link. And we'll have more videos probably sponsored by them, and also videos of some of their gear and their items coming up in the near future. There's a quick update for you guys and letting you know what's coming in the future. So thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please click that little red subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.